If you're new to editing photos, then this video is for you. This is a complete walkthrough of all of the basic editing features available in the Apple Photos app. Open a photo and tap on Edit. The adjustment layer is selected by default. You'll notice 3 icons on the left-hand side as well as many properties on the right. On the left-hand side, you've got the adjustment layer icon, the filters icon, and the crop icon, and on the right hand side you've got the properties as shown. To adjust any property, just tap on it to select it and use the slider to change the value. If you bring the saturation all the way up, it oversaturates the photo, but if you bring it all the way down, you have a black and white photo. Tap on brightness and increase the brightness. This makes the photo brighter and removes the redness. Next, I'll tap on highlights and bring those all the way up. As you can see, the photo looks much different. Did you know that in iOS 16 you can copy and paste edits? Let's say that I want to take this second photo here and make it a black and white photo without using any of the filters provided. All I need to do is tap on Edit on the left hand side or at the bottom, depending on the orientation of your iPad or even your iPhone, you'll find the editing controls. To make a black and white photo very quickly and remove this red light, all I need to do is tap on saturation and move it all the way to the bottom of the slider left. I'll tap on done. To copy the edits, just tap on the 3 dots and select the option that says copy edits. To paste your edits, just move to the next photo by swiping left. Tap on the 3 dots once more and tap on Paste Edits. Now this photo is exactly the same as the last one. I find it a little dark, so I'm going to tap on Edit. Then I'll tap on the Adjust layer again. It's selected by default. Tap on Exposure and I'll bring it all the way up to make it as bright as possible. I'll tap on Done. If you swipe left, you can paste the original edits. Tap the 3 dots and tap on Paste Edits. Then tap Edit, and this time I'm going to select brightness and bring it all the way up. That makes the photo a little brighter. I'll apply the original edits to this new photo one more time. This time I'll adjust the vibrance. I'll bring it all the way up to the top of the slider. It makes a little bit of a difference, but not much. I'll tap Done. I'll move to the next photo, paste the original edits to bring the saturation down, tap on Edit once more. Let's adjust the warmth property and see if that makes a difference to the photo. It makes a little bit of a difference. I'll tap Done. Here are the photos with the different properties adjusted. Select the photo on the right, tap the 3 dots, and tap on Copy Edits. Then I'll go back to the album view inside my favorites album. Tap on the photo in the middle, which is the original image. Tap the 3 dots, and then tap Paste Edits. In theory, these 2 photos should look exactly the same. It is possible for you to revert back to the original image. First, tap on the 3 dots once more, and then tap on Revert to Original. When you do, you'll be back to the original image. As long as you've edited the photo on the same device, it should revert back to the original image. Next, tap on Edit. The Adjust layer will be selected by default. Tap on Auto.
As you can see, that automatically adjusts all the properties. Once you tap on auto, you can make more manual adjustments. Tap on exposure and crank it all the way up. You can also tap on brilliance and adjust that. But I'm going to select highlights and bring the highlights all the way up, so the image looks like this. When you're done editing, tap on done to return to your new image. Notice these two images look very similar. I'll tap on brilliance and adjust that. I'll bring it up a little bit, but not necessarily all the way to the top. Notice the white dot on the slider. That shows you the default value for each property, in most cases 0. To adjust the property back to 0, move the slider back to that white dot. Tap on done, and now the photos look exactly the same.
If you tap edit one more time, you'll see the second icon on the left is the filters icon. If you tap that, you can use one of the provided filters. Just select a filter by tapping on it, and the photo will change accordingly. If you want to make a black and white photo without adjusting the saturation, you can use one of the black and white filters. There are 3 different ones: mono, silver tone, and noir. Let me show you a creative way that you can use filters. I'm going to make this photo look like an aged photograph that's black and white. Tap on the saturation property and bring the saturation all the way down. I'll bring the contrast, shadows, and highlights all the way down to remove the detail. I've got more detailed videos on how to do this effect on my Apple Photos playlist on the channel. I'll leave a link to that playlist in the description of this video. One other thing you can do is bring up the exposure to make the photo even brighter than it is. Now I can tap on the filters icon and add several different filters to give the photo a different look. My favorites are Vivid Warm or the sepia tone. You can use the silver tone and noir filters for the black and white look. Dramatic Warm also looks pretty good. When you're done, tap on done and your changes will be applied to that photo. Tap on edit one more time and select the crop icon. If you tap the yellow icon in the upper right hand corner, you'll notice that you have a bunch of presets you can use. Once you've set a preset, you can move the photo around within that window. These presets will allow you to make photos of different sizes that are common. If you're working on an iPhone, you've got one additional one that's not shown here that says wallpaper. That setting will take the dimensions of the screen of your iPhone to let you know what a selected photo will look like as a wallpaper. Once you've selected one of your presets, you can tap on done. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.